I have made some incredible transformations in my home while I've been making my new video course, which is about storage solutions for every room in your home and all the things that you really struggle to store, like craft supplies and shoes and makeup and tons of other things. I think I may have mentioned before that one of the things I love about doing this work is that as I'm talking to you about things that you can improve in your homes and how to declutter and organise, it has me sort out things in my own home. I mean, my home's pretty organised, I'm a naturally organised person, but it's far from perfect. And I can't tell you how many things I have solved as a result of making this course. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter and chaos for peace of mind and productivity, because when your home works, your life works. And while I've been making this course, which is coming out next week, so watch this space, there's going to be an amazing special offer. You can get it super cheap for a limited period of time, so that'll be coming out next week. But while I've been making this course, I have solved the fact that I always knock my electric toothbrush over every time I leave my bathroom, the mess of food storage tub lids that live in one of my kitchen cupboards, the chaos in the top drawer in my office. Oh, my linen cupboard. I didn't take a before photo. I can't believe I didn't take a before photo, but my linen cupboard had got really chaotic. And I'm sharing all these storage solutions, the things that I have solved in my own home, and also loads and loads of other ideas in the course. Plus, on top of that, in making the course, I've come up with a system for creating storage solutions. And I've come up with these two acronyms. So if you're trying to solve a storage solution, you need to raise your game and be suave. And I haven't got time in this video to go through what they stand for. You'll have to get into the course to learn about that. But yes, I've come up with this system for how to solve any storage solution in your home. And I've also made a lecture about it's like my go-to toolkit for organising, like the kind of things that you have around your home already that you can use to solve organising dilemmas. Anyway, so like I say, the course is coming out next week. In the meantime, I'm going to luxuriate in my incredibly organised home, which I'm thoroughly enjoying, and I will see you next week.